Hello friends, this is Chef Pinto here. Welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make chicken biryani. I'm going to make it in a very simple way. Watch the video carefully till the end without skipping it, and you can try this recipe, and you'll get better results. So I've taken 700 grams of rice, which is basmati rice, and I have taken 1 kg of chicken. First, what you have to do is you need to wash the rice. I've washed the rice and kept it for 3 times, and then now I'm going to soak the rice in just normal water and keep it for 1 hour. Meanwhile, once our rice is getting soaked, we'll start with the chicken process of making gravy, cooking chicken. Guys, let's start with the chicken cooking process. My pan is already hot. Now I'm going to add ghee, which is 2 teaspoon, and oil to saute. Now keep in mind that don't make this oil and ghee very hot. You have to add whole masala to this. We'll add bay leaf, cinnamon stick, elaichi, 4 pieces, 1 star anise, and 5 pieces of clove. So check this out. This oil is not very hot. Oil and ghee. This is on medium now. And now I will add sliced onion to this. Check this out. These are 3 medium sliced onion. Now I will make it on high flame in order to saute the onion. I check this out. Onion is not even half done now. It has to get completely brown. We'll saute it more on a very high flame. Guys, check this out. This is almost ready now. Onion. As we all know that biryani is very popular in India, and old as well as young children love biryani. So now we'll put this on a slow range. We'll add ginger garlic paste to this, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, saute well. Once ginger garlic paste is sauté, we add masala, chili powder, half teaspoon, half teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Saute this for a while. Now this flame is on a very low flame. Not make it high, otherwise the masala will get burned. Now we will add blended tomato. I have taken 2 tomatoes, blended. We'll add chicken. Salt is to taste. Let's mix this well. One cup of yogurt. Now we'll keep the flame on medium and we'll cook the chicken on a very medium flame. Let it cook slowly so that the masala immerse in chicken. Now the chicken is mixed well. I will add chili, 4 slit green chili. Guys, check this out. The chicken looks very delicious. Because of the smoke, my camera is not catching the color properly, but it looks delicious and mouth-watering. Now what we'll do is, chicken is already mixed well. One thing I forgot to mention, when you add the curd, as I've said earlier, you have to add it on a very low flame. Don't keep it on a high flame, otherwise there are chances of getting it split. So now we'll add water to this and let the chicken cook on a medium flame. We'll mix it. Now we will cover this and keep and let it cook. Meanwhile, once the chicken is getting cooked, we'll keep rice for boiling. Guys, while our chicken is getting ready, we'll keep water for boiling for the rice. For rice, what you have to do is take a bigger vessel. When I've taken 700 grams of rice and I have taken a vessel so that the rice is cooked freely, and then I will add elaichi, cardamom, 4 cloves. Then I have star anise 2 each, small piece of cinnamon stick, and 2 of bay leaf, and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. One thing to keep in mind that when you put salt, keep enough salt, little bit on the saltier side so that the grains absorb salt. And also you need to boil this water on a very high flame, and even when you cook the rice, you have to cook it on a very high flame. And for what we require is for this biryani is 80% we need to cook the rice, not fully 100%, or do not overcook it, or do not remove it half done. We need to cook the rice when it is 80% done. Also we need to add mint and cilantro, coriander leaf, fresh coriander leaves. Now we'll keep this on the flame. Since our water is getting boiled, to cook the rice, we'll check the chicken. Look at it, how nice and rich, thick gravy. This is how it should be. Yeah. If you all want to have it with roti, parota, or chapatis, bread, you can enjoy this gravy with that as well if you are not fond of rice and all. And now I'm going to add mint leaves, few sprigs of mint leaf, and then fresh coriander leaves. And also I'm going to add half lemon juice. You need to remove the seed first before you squeeze. Now I'm going to mix this well. This chicken is almost ready. We'll keep it for, you can check this out. This is coming out, the meat of the flesh of the meat. Almost, we'll cook this for 5 minutes more on a very slow range. Guys, check this out. Chicken is ready now. It is cooked fully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the flame and keep this on the side till our rice is getting ready. Guys, our water is already boiling now. We'll add rice. Mix it. And add little bit of oil to this. Let this boil, and we'll cook this 80% rice. Guys, check this out. This rice is ready now. It's 80% cooked. You can check the how long it came out. See this. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and I'm going to strain it out. Guys, now I will show how to layer it out. We'll remove the chicken in a separate container. I've kept also saffron soaked and kept, and also I have fried onion and kept. If you want, you can use a raisin fried and nuts. I have kept onion and saffron. If you don't have saffron, the other option is you can use color if you want food color. Guys, we'll layer it out now. As you have noticed, one layer of chicken with gravy. We'll add rice to this. Some fresh coriander leaves together with mint leaf as well. And fried onion. Again, we'll repeat the process with chicken and gravy. rice again. Coriander and mint leaf. Onion. I will add saffron. Okay, and we'll add pieces of chicken. And finally, you have to add some 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now this will cover it and keep it on the flame for 10 minutes on a very low flame. Guys, now we'll keep this on the flame for 10 minutes on a very low flame. Guys, check this out. After 10 minutes of cooking, this is ready to be served now. I'm going to turn off the flame, and this is ready now, biryani. Quick and easy and simple way. Try this recipe out and you will love it. Guys, check this out. The aroma of the biryani filled my whole house. Check this out. This looks yum. Check the grains. This is how exactly it should be.